Hello and welcome to yet another episode of the in-depth series. My name is Pooja Trivedi. Today we are going to discuss the concept of unity malls, the push to the tourism sector. Although the budget allocation has remained unchanged at 2400 crore, but there are certain dreams that have been unachieved and the other important concept that arise from the unity mall. We will discuss that. So let us move ahead and talk about these many topics that we are going to touch step by step. Interestingly, we are going to talk about Unity Mall. What do the stakeholders say when it comes to the initiatives that unachieved dreams? All that will be discussed. This will be discussed step by step whenever we go through any point that needs stakeholders. As I said, that the budgetary allocation for tourism sector remains unchanged, but there are certain new initiatives. Now, tourism will be boosted in a mission mode project. So, mission mode means whenever you are pursuing any objective in a mission with a vision for mission, this is a mission mode project. So, first 50 new destinations will be involved. These would be selected through a challenge and developed as a complete package. Now, that means this will entice community participation, Swachh Bharat, Digital India, and of course the benefit to the shopkeepers. Everything is there. New mobile app. It will provide tourist friendly information like physical and virtual connectivity and details on tourist guide, because sometimes it can happen most of the time it happens whenever foreigners come to India, they get duped by greedy guides. Not all of them, but few of them are like these. So to circumvent this problem, this new mobile app is there to help them. Other than that, Vibrant Villages program. Tourist infrastructure and amenities will be facilitated in border villages. Two things could be achieved: security, community participation in the security. We know very well from the 1962 war how Arunachal Pradesh could become a part of China if the villages at the border area did not have so much love for India. So that is also important to understand from the security perspective. Unity malls. Now states will be encouraged to set up a unity mall in their capital. This could be a highly attractive tourist region or a financial region. These malls would work towards promotion and sale of each state's own one district, one product and other handicrafts. So handicrafts from other states will also be encouraged to be kept in these unity malls. Dreams that remained unachieved. There was a lot of lobbying for particular things, such as the tourism sector has not been provided infrastructure status. If it could get infrastructure status, then of course the funding could have improved for it. Rationalization of GST on tourism remains untouched. Exemption of GST on foreign exchange earning remains untouched for tourism. Refund of tax on shopping under the tax refund to tourist scheme. This all remained untouched in the current budget. Tourism sector in India is estimated to contribute 250 billion US dollars GDP from tourism, 137 million jobs, 56 billion US dollars in foreign exchange earnings, 25 million foreign arrivals are expected to be achieved by 2030. By 2028, Indian tourism and hospitality is expected to earn 50.9 billion as visitor exports compared with 28.9 billion in 2018. International tourist arrival are expected to reach 30.5 million by 2028. Other than this, the travel market in India is projected to reach $125 billion by fiscal year 27 from an estimated this one. Now, of course, we have to keep in mind the COVID-induced lockdown hurt the tourist sector a lot. So, I think this is my personal opinion that a little more budgetary allocation could have been done to take it out of the abyss. Other than that, it is estimated that outbound trips from India will touch 29 million by 2025 and cross $24 billion mark by 2024. Moving ahead, now Unity Mall. During her speech, the finance minister did not mention any mode of working, if these Unity malls are going to be tangible or intangible, or what is their purpose or not purpose specifically, how they are going to exist, what regions are going to be there, how the rehabilitation of people will take place if it is surrounding any area such as that. Now all this was untouched, but the Unity malls would focus on the promotion and sale of state's own ODOPs, GI products and other handicraft products. ODOPs and GI we will discuss further. They will provide space for such products of all other states as well, so that diversity can be put in a more, prominent form. And Ekta Mall is right now operational near the Statue of Unity in Kevadia. And the Ekta Mall is Unity in Handicraft Diversity. It is a showroom of handicrafts from different states of India. So it is trying to show the unity of India through diversity. It is spread over 35,000 square feet area of 2 floors, and it has 20 emporiums which are dedicated to state's traditional textiles and artisanal handicrafts. One district, one product is an initiative by the government which aims to make regional products more accessible. That means it encourages specialization. So what happens that each state and each district has a product of their own in which they specialize. Okay, and this could be encouraged through one district, one product scheme while providing capital to those who produce them. So it will help in conservation of those specialized products. The state identifies the chief product for a district, remember this, and then the state offers support for its processing, storage and marketing. For example, district of Prayagraj has guava as its one district, one product. From Muzaffarpur, we have lychee. From Agra, we have ash gourd, which is petha. Okay. From Banaskantha, we have pomegranate. From Nagpur, we have orange. From Sangli, we have grapes. From Kurg, we have coffee. And from Darbhanga and Madhubani, we have makhana. Okay. So like this, every state has their own product. Moving ahead, now if we talk about what are these products, as I have already told you, these are generally agri products, eatable products. So perishable agri produce cereal-based products or food. Products like mango, potato, meat and fisheries. It supports traditional and innovative products as well. Not only that, not only perishable goods or agri products, but others like waste to wealth products such as honey and herbal edible products. These are also encouraged. Now if we talk about GI, what is geographical indication? It is a tag which could be given to any agriculture, natural or manufactured product. This tag helps to identify the products that originate from a specific geographical area. What happens that any place, if it has some special kind of climate, some special type of even family that is manufacturing a particular product, because of the existing of that geographical area, then only the product gets its differentiating tinge. Then it will be given as a geographical indication tag, due to which they possess unique characteristics and qualities. Supposedly, the soil of any place is very good, so it produces a particular kind of mango. That mango can be produced in that specific geographical area only because of the presence of that soil in that geographical area, the product is getting its sweetness, the mango. So for that very reason, that will be given as GI tag. So first of all, it will help us in differentiating the products from the duplicates and the original, and the producers who have got that GI tag will be encouraged to further on this business in their family. Even it could be manufactured products as well. The tag guarantees that the product is coming from the specific area, and it is kind of a trademark in the international market. So moving ahead, the total number of GI tags of India right now is 432. Top 4 states which are having the highest number of GI tags are Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka and Kerala. The promotion of GIs recently has been undertaken by the government by approving an expenditure of rupees 75 crores for the next 3 years for promotion at awareness programs that this particular product belongs to this particular district. The benefits are immense. First of all, their products, ODOPs or GIs, they would have an immense outreach. The tourist, domestic or international, if they will interact with these products, they will understand the importance of it, and it will give immense encouragement for the laborers and the manufacturers, who would encourage upskilling in the manufacturing process of their ODOPs or the GI tag products. There is also a message here that unity is in diversity. India is a immensely diverse country, and conservation will be also encouraged. That means sometimes it happens, many families who are manufacturing certain products, if they do not get encouragement or recognition, the family business might be redundant in the future, because if there is no future for the product, how will it be prospering the future members. So for that also it is very healthy. Now that's it. Thank you so much for watching and stay updated.